If you're not eating these foods before going to sleep, then don't expect to look 25 when you turn 50. Now that you're older, you might be starting to notice some changes around your eyes. Maybe it's the fine lines and wrinkles that just seem to appear out of nowhere. Or perhaps it's the dark eye circles that make you look like you haven't slept in days, even though you have. And if you've tried everything from creams to lasers without any luck, then this is the last place you need to check, because there is a good chance that the real cause of your aging eyes is what you're eating before bed. Now, you see, the skin around our eyes is incredibly delicate and thin, which makes it more prone to damage from the sun, UV rays, and environmental pollutants than other areas of the face. This means that we need to take extra care of our eye area to keep it looking youthful and healthy. And while we can't stop the effects of time, we can make some simple changes to our diet that will help prevent premature aging of the skin around our eyes. So, in today's video, we'll be discussing 4 powerful foods that you should incorporate into your nightly routine to help you unlock the secret to youthful eyes. From boosting collagen production with bone broth to protecting against UV damage with leafy greens, we'll cover it all. So stick around and get ready to learn how you can achieve brighter, more vibrant-looking eyes without any expensive treatments or products. Bone broth. Now, when it comes to fighting the signs of aging around the eyes, few foods are as effective as bone broth. This nutrient-dense liquid is a rich source of collagen, an essential protein that helps maintain the elasticity and firmness of the skin around the eyes. As we age, our collagen production decreases, leading to the formation of fine lines and wrinkles. But by incorporating bone broth into your nightly routine, you can help boost your body's collagen levels and improve the appearance of your skin. Not only does bone broth contain a high concentration of collagen, but it also provides other essential nutrients such as elastin, which further supports skin elasticity. Additionally, bone broth is rich in amino acids, which are the building blocks of collagen and elastin. These nutrients work together to strengthen the skin's natural defense mechanisms, making it more resilient to environmental stresses that can cause damage over time. To reap the benefits of bone broth for your eyes, try drinking a cup of hot bone broth before bed each night. You can also add it to soups, stews, and other dishes to increase your intake. By doing so, you'll be providing your body with the necessary nutrients to support the production of collagen and elastin, which will help keep the skin around your eyes looking youthful and firm. 2. Leafy green vegetables. Now, leafy green vegetables are packed with antioxidants that can help protect against UV damage and reduce inflammation, both of which contribute to premature aging of the skin around the eyes. One of the most important antioxidants found in leafy greens is lutein, a pigment that gives these vegetables their green color. Lutein is a powerful antioxidant that helps protect the eyes from oxidative stress caused by exposure to UV rays and environmental pollutants. This can help prevent the formation of cataracts, macular degeneration, and other age-related eye diseases. But lutein's benefits go beyond just protecting against eye disease. It also plays a role in maintaining the health of the skin around our eyes, by reducing inflammation and protecting against UV damage. Lutein can help keep the skin looking youthful and prevent the formation of fine lines and wrinkles. Another antioxidant commonly found in leafy greens is vitamin C. Vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant that helps protect against free radicals that can damage the skin and cause premature aging. It also plays a role in the production of collagen, which is an essential protein for maintaining the elasticity and firmness of the skin around the eyes. By consuming leafy greens rich in vitamin C, such as spinach, kale, and broccoli. You can help boost your body's antioxidant defenses and support collagen production, leading to healthier-looking skin around your eyes. So make sure to include plenty of leafy green vegetables in your diet, such as spinach, kale, and collard greens. And don't forget about the cruciferous veggies like broccoli, cauliflower, and cabbage. All of these are excellent sources of lutein and vitamin C, which can help protect against premature aging around the eyes. And the best part is that these vegetables are not only good for your eyes, but they're also low in calories and fat, making them a great addition to any weight loss diet. Number 3. Salmon. When it comes to combating the signs of aging around the eyes, salmon is a true powerhouse. This delicious fish is loaded with vitamin D, which has been shown to help improve collagen production and reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. As we age, our bodies produce less collagen, leading to sagging skin and a breakdown of the tissues around our eyes. But studies have shown that people with higher levels of vitamin D in their bloodstream have better skin health, including thicker skin and a higher level of collagen production. Salmon is one of the best natural sources of vitamin D, along with other essential nutrients like omega-3 fatty acids and selenium. Omega-3 south have anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce puffiness and inflammation around the eyes, while selenium is a powerful antioxidant that can help protect against UV damage. By incorporating salmon into your nightly routine, you'll be providing your body with the essential nutrients it needs to support collagen production and protect against premature aging of the skin around your eyes. And if you're not a fan of fish or live in a landlocked area without access to fresh salmon, you can also get your fill of vitamin D through other sources like fortified milk and yogurt. Just remember that it is important to get enough protein and healthy fats in your diet as well to support overall skin health. And no, 4. Avocado. Avocados are a true all-star when it comes to fighting the signs of aging around the eyes. Packed with a variety of essential nutrients, avocados can help improve skin elasticity, reduce puffiness, and protect against UV damage. One of the key nutrients found in avocados is vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant that helps protect against free radicals that can damage the skin and cause premature aging. Vitamin E also helps improve the absorption of carotenoids, which are pigments that give fruits and vegetables their vibrant colors and have antioxidant properties of their own. In fact, avocados are one of the best sources of lutein, a carotenoid that's particularly beneficial for eye health. Lutein helps protect against age-related eye diseases like macular degeneration and cataracts by absorbing harmful light waves and reducing oxidative stress. Another nutrient found in avocados is alpha-hydroxy acid, which is a gentle exfoliant that can help improve skin texture and reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Alpha-hydroxy acid also helps increase the absorption of other important nutrients like vitamin C and E, which are essential for maintaining the health of the skin around our eyes. And let's not forget about the healthy fats found in avocados. These monounsaturated fats help moisturize the skin and keep it supple and elastic. In fact, avocados are one of the best sources of biotin, a B vitamin that has been shown to improve skin elasticity and reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. So, incorporating avocado into your nightly routine can help provide your body with the essential nutrients it needs to support the health of the skin around your eyes. You can enjoy avocado in a variety of ways, like making guacamole, adding it to salads or smoothies, or simply spreading it on toast. So there you have it, the 4 powerful foods that you should eat before sleep to unlock the secret to youthful eyes. From boosting collagen production with bone broth to protecting against UV damage with leafy greens, salmon and avocado, you have the power to achieve brighter, more vibrant-looking eyes. Remember, small changes in your diet can make a big difference in how you look and feel. So don't wait another day to start reaping the benefits of these superfoods for your eyes. And if you want to take your eye care to the next level, then make sure to click the link below to access our exclusive guide, 7 Best Supplements for Younger-Looking Eyes. In this comprehensive guide, you'll discover the top supplements that can help reduce the appearance of fine lines, wrinkles, and dark circles under the eyes. We'll also discuss the benefits of each supplement and how to incorporate them into your daily routine for maximum impact. Don't miss out on this opportunity to achieve your best eye health yet. Click the link below to get your free copy of 7 Best Supplements for Younger-Looking Eyes today. And if you've already tried incorporating these foods into your diet, then leave us a comment below to share your experience with the community. We can't wait to hear how you've achieved brighter, more youthful-looking eyes.